Assalamualaikum everyone. I hope you all are doing really good. Well students, our today's topic is Robin. It's a poem of your OME. Well students, before explaining anything else, let us just revise the poem first. My first question to all of you is, what is this poem about? Well yes, this poem is about a bird. Can you please tell me the name of the bird? Yes, the name of the bird is Robin. Okay, who is singing? We have discussed it in the poem. Yes, Robin is singing. Okay everyone, today we will be doing from page number 11 of your OME, exercise A, part 1. Okay, let's see our comprehension questions. A part is, what are the 4 seasons? Well students, if you do remember, we have discussed all 4 seasons in the poem. Okay, let's see the answer. The 4 seasons are summer, winter, autumn and spring. Let's move to part B. When does Robin sing with all his might? Okay, whether he sings with all his might in winter or spring or summer. Let's see. Well, Robin sings with all his might in summer. Okay everyone, part C is about autumn. When leaves were falling and everyone was sad and they were thinking that leaves are falling, there will be empty trees and there would be nothing for birds. Everyone would get bored, right? But what did Robin say at that time? Robin says that in autumn there are fruits for everyone, right? So Robin is very helpful and cheerful and hopeful, and Robin is telling everyone that there is a lot of food for everyone, so no need to worry, right? Okay, let's revise the answer one more time. Robin says that in autumn there are fruits for everyone. Okay, let's see part D. When can we still hear Robin's song? Well yes, you can take hint and help from the picture. We can still hear Robin's song in the cold and wintry weather, right? When everyone, every bird, every animal was hiding itself in their nests, in their houses, there was still one bird who's singing. And who's that? Robin. Yes. Okay, let's see our last question. What does Robin say in the spring? In the spring, Robin says that he told us that winters would go away. Right. Robin already told us that one day winter will go away. No need to worry. Don't get yourself so stuck and so negative thinker. Right? So one day winter will go away, and that happened when spring came back. In the spring, Robin says that he told us that winters would go away. Okay students, that's all for today's class. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.